Hey everybody, welcome back. So glad for you to tune in to me on YouTube land. I got a little something here. Found a little gold mine on Amazon. It's the E99 drone. Uh, Best bang for the buck if you want a beginner drone. Video's good, which we're going to get all into that here in this video. We're not going to fly this thing, but I want to just show you and go over some of the basics. Let's go ahead and check it out, guys. Here we go. The E99 drone from Amazon. Look at this cute little thing. It's a full foldable drone. And it opens up to a decent size for how small it actually is. Not too bad. There's a little camera right there. I'm going to show you how this thing works. It's actually not bad quality for the drone. Here's the controller right here, guys. And this will hold your smartphone. Let's get the little antennas put up. See, right here is where your smartphone gets held in at. Power's on. No big display or anything, but it's okay. One key takeoff, one key land. These are your trims. And then you got the rest of your buttons up here for camera start, stuff like that. Your modes, 3 different modes, you know, stuff like that. It's not a bad little drone for 35 bucks. So check out the link in the description if you guys want to purchase one of these. Anything purchased through the link actually helps support the channel, so we can buy crazy stuff like this again. But let's go ahead and get down into this a little deeper. You got your paperwork, QR. Go ahead and scan this. That's in Chinese. Here's the English. We want to scan this on your smartphone and it'll give you the correct app. As you see, all the details and stuff they give you with the video, a lot. Of course, instruction manual. Unfortunately, it's in both Chinese and English, so if you can speak Chinese, awesome. If you can't, well, find the English section. They have it in there. Alright guys, I want to show you some of the functions for the camera, and it is actually pretty cool. Alright, well guys, first things first, let's go ahead and power up the drone. You're going to think this is odd. The drone actually goes on first, then the controller. Alright, but I don't need the controller on to do what I'm doing today. Go ahead and get in your phone, go to your settings. You want to go into connections and Wi-Fi. Click on your connections and Wi-Fi. Find it's Wi-Fi 8K, WBC, so forth, so on. You're going to click on that. It's going to actually take your phone off Wi-Fi if you're on Wi-Fi. It's going to lock onto the phone. It's checking quality. Okay, connected without internet, not secured. Okay, we're going to go out of that. The app that's going to download is that right there. It's Wi-Fi Cam. Click on it. Now we're into the camera now. And it's not bad. This is indoors. It's pretty clear. Imagine being outside. It's going to be a whole lot better. There's the marksman. Hey, you guys see, got a little something new poster. Hit me up if you guys want one of those. And we'll see what we can do about getting some made up. That was a trial run. Wanted to kind of see what you guys think. Not bad. I kind of like it for 35 bucks. Well guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the big thumbs up button. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already. And you know what guys? We're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one, everybody.